Alright, so I'll be going over advanced mates. So advanced mates are basically a set of mates, as I'll show you in a few seconds, that you can't really normally do with basic. They can do more stuff than basic mates. Mainly basic mates, you can just connect two faces to each other, set two faces parallel, perpendicular, tangent, tricentric. You can also have a distance mate, right? But for advanced mates, you have these set mates which have specific features that you can't do with basic mates. So the first one I'll be showing you is the linear Cucular mate, right? So I will be showing. So this is basically a mate in which you can move stuff at a distance ratio. So if I want to move this bearing and this at a certain time, but I want to move something at a different ratio, let's say I want to make this move 2 times faster, I'll use this mate. And so I'll just grab that face, and then you can change the ratio. It should basically change speed. So currently you see this. There's a ratio as it does move faster over time. So I'll be showing you the next mate I'll be showing you is the width mate. This mate's pretty simple. You just connect. It helps you fit one object instead of another. Like if you want to fit a bearing instead of a hexaxle or anything really. So as you look here, as you show which parts have mated together, as you see, I selected 2 parts which are opposite to each other. 2 purple rectangles selected first, and then that's of the bearing, and then I selected the 2 same parts for the axle. And I did that twice. A key reminder is you have to have them be adjacent to each other. So you see this purple rectangle has to be adjacent to this upper rectangle. Okay, so this symmetry mate allows you to get 2 objects to be symmetrical to each other within a plane. So if you were to look into this mate, right, it's currently fixed right now. So the mate is, so basically, I can't really, it doesn't let me show you just for some reason, right? But I do have a plate together, and I made a symmetrical mate, and it fixes these together. You have to select 2 faces in a plate, and it'll just make them symmetrical-ish. So this next mate is basically I believe a path. Yeah, it's a path mate. So you select one vector, and I selected, I believe, here. This isn't really a great example, but as you see, it goes along this line of this axle. It has better uses, but this is just a rudimentary example. So as you see, it goes along the path. You can pretty much edit what you select, what it goes through, and this path allows you to get this mate allows you to have a distance between 2 faces you selected, and also fully define them. As you see, I can't move either one of this. We'll just edit feature so we can mess with distance, so I can always move it. Right, now I moved it. Now it's like 2.8 inches apart from this face to that face.